For this video, we're going to look at the decision called contract index in purchasing. So I'm going to go over to the purchasing tab. Now, if you've watched the video for contract index in sales, this is going to look very familiar to you. So what you're seeing right here is our different suppliers that we have here, and you see this contract index right here from Mono Packaging, 0.9920. Think of that as a multiplier. So I'm going to go over to the information tab on the left, and we're going to look up what we're paying for product from Mono Packaging. So it's the pack 1 liter container, and you see over here on the right side, we're paying 3 cents a container. So going back now into purchasing, keep that 3 cents in your mind for a moment. What this is saying is Mono Packaging, based on these promises that we've negotiated with us, they are willing to offer us 0.9920 times the 3 cents a container, so a little bit of a discount, so 0.02976, a little bit of a discount. So the more favorable the promises are to the supplier, the more of a discount they're willing to give us, the less beneficial those are to the supplier, then the more they're going to charge us. So as an example, let's go into negotiate, and let's say instead of 95%, we determine we have to ask for 98%. So watch the contract index on top when I hit calculate. It goes from 0.992 to 0.998. So they're going to bump up the price a little bit. If we think, hey, that's not too much, I'm going to go for 99%, then we change it to 99, hit calculate, and all of a sudden it says, well, we're going to charge you 1.002 times the 3 cents. And you start thinking, okay, I wonder what 100% is worth then if they're not bumping up the price much. So we put in 100, and the supplier comes back and says, okay, you're asking for perfection, then we're going to charge you 3 times the price of 3 cents, or 9 cents a bottle. So as you change the promises, I just did it for the one, but as you change the promises, the contract index or the multiplier is going to change. And then what you and I have to do is, once we've decided which one we want, as part of that decision process, we should go into the financial statements and the reports and determine what the impact of that change is going to be. So if prices goes up 3%, then we're paying 3% more than what we're currently paying. So that is all calculable.